I was managing like oil and gas merger models for really big transactions.
Yeah.
And which they normally don't even give to analysts. So that was kind of trust I had gained from my team.
So why do you think you were given so much trust so fast? I mean, because you're only at BNP for, was it just because you were a whiz kid and they knew that somehow because of your scores and other things?
Definitely. I mean, first of all, yes, I was learning quite fast. Like I could go, I could build a model, but I was determined to.
Like, how did you communicate that? Like, you were actually presenting work to them? That was
So when the work was given, I would say, okay, this is work. I will do it. I would ask, okay, do you need something even more out of it? And before leaving, I would ask my analyst and associate, is there something else I can do to help the team? I would sit down and say, okay, can you show me the merger model? This interests me. Like I remember, like especially for oil and gas, I was like, okay, this model of upstream production and how the cash flows come from it interests me a lot. Can you show me? So he showed me. I said, okay, can I take care in the next project? Can I be a part of it? He said, okay, yeah, let's do it. So I was part of the next project, and then I started taking some responsibilities from him.
Yeah.
And I was delivering on those responsibilities. My backups were ready. And I was really upfront about speaking about those things, what I want to learn and and the team liked it because what everybody likes is, of course,
you were hungry.
Yeah, definitely.